Today we're going to show you how to change a Toyota Highlander key fob battery, which we've got right here. It takes a CR 2016 battery, which we've got in the links in the description below, so check that out if you want to support us, also just to make it easier. Now this will work on both the 3-button and 4-button Highlander keys, and the first thing you need to do is open it up. There is a little tab right here. You're going to insert your screwdriver in there and you're just going to twist, and that's going to pop this open. Now it's important that when you take out the battery module, you've got this facing down, because what happens a lot of times is these buttons inside here are just in there by gravity or with this little connector in there, and they will fall out, and it just takes more time to get the key back together. So now we've got the battery module out for the Toyota Highlander key fob. We're going to look around, and on the back side it says use coin to open, and that's in this corner here where there's a little ledge. So you're going to take your screwdriver or coin, and you're just going to pop this open, once again twist, and that's all going to come out and give you access to the Toyota Highlander key battery. So we open this up and you can see there's a CR 2016 in there. Now we just need to get that battery out. You can pry that out, be very gentle, because there are 4 plastic tabs on here that are sort of fragile and you don't want to break those. So we pop out our 2016 battery. We're going to put in a new CR 2016 battery. And it's important that you know you have the plus symbol up, otherwise this will not work. So we're going to insert our battery, and then we're going to push it up against the spring, make sure it engages with all 4 of these plastic tabs, and now we're ready to put it back together for the Toyota Highlander key fob. So I'm going to put this plastic cover on, then I'm going to turn this around, put it into the key, and we're going to press all that down, make sure we've got it seated properly. And then I'm going to put the cover back on. And now our Toyota Highlander key fob battery has been changed and replaced, and you're ready to use this. So it does require that CR 2016. Take a look in the description below for a link to that. It always does help us when you purchase them off that link, or give us a thumbs up, or subscribe, or leave a comment. We appreciate all those, and it helps us keep making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video on how to replace your Toyota Highlander key fob battery. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.